step-by-step guide on how to add Starlights to your car. Step 1. Remove your headliner.
We got this massive headliner going into a Tahoe. I'm gonna put 1500 stars. I'm gonna show you guys how to install the stars through the vent with all the SUVs that come with the AC vent. So pretty easy, especially if you've never done it before. It might be challenging. Stay tuned.
Next step, grab a blade and cut along the base of the AC vent. And just like that, you have removed the AC vent from the headliner. We do this first so we can feed all the fibers through this section first, then reinstall the AC vent and glue it back down. Next, we want to section off the headliner. That way we spread our Starlights evenly throughout the headliner. On this particular headliner, since I got the 1500 stars kit, I made 30 sections and I plan to put 50 stars in each square. Now, we want to mark all the holes to drill on the headliner. Don't overthink it. Just count out the dots in each square and space them out accordingly. After marking all 1500 holes, grab your Starlight headliner needle. You can get these on TikTok Shop. It's the best needle you can use. Now start poking all the holes on the headliner. You can attach this Starlight headliner needle to your drill. This can help speed up the process. Now, since this Starlight kit comes with 3 different size fibers, I'm circling where I want to put the bigger fibers. The red circles are the biggest fibers at 1.5 millimeters thick, and I'm putting 3 circles in each square. Now I'm adding 12 blue circles to each square for the medium-sized fibers at 1.0 millimeters thickness.
Alright, we got everything marked. The blue circles are for the 1 millimeter size fibers. The red ones are the thickest fibers at 1.5. And then obviously the rest are the regular size. So first we're going to do the vent, then finish it off. Alright, so quick update. We finished the AC vent, finished feeding all the fibers, even the big fibers, as you can see. Next step, we gotta glue down these fibers before we can put the cover back on. So essentially, we're gonna glue down all the fibers and then put the cover right back on, just like that, and then glue down and seal it. So just take your cordless glue gun and glue down every single fiber for inside the vent, and then once we finish this, we'll put the vent back on and seal it up, and then after that just finish the rest of the headliner and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I just finished gluing every single fiber inside the vent. Now what I'm gonna do is put the vent back on top, line it up. And essentially you just want to glue the vent back down. There's different ways to do this or different types of glue to use, but honestly I just use the glue gun. It works perfectly fine. So as you can tell right here, it's bulging out. I'm gonna make a slit right here. That way this can sit flush with all the fibers, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down. Same thing for back here. But that's about it. You just glue it down and you're good to go.
Just glue it down at the base with the same hot glue gun. So after completing the AC vent, finish off the rest of the headliner and make sure all fibers are glued down.
Alright, so we just finished gluing all the fibers. That's how it looks from the back. Now we're gonna cut all these extra fibers off, flush cut them, and then we're good to go.
Get yourself some flesh cutters and cut all the extra fibers from underneath the headliner. It's a little process. Make sure to cut all the fibers flush with the headliner. Last step is putting the headliner back in the car and wiring the motor to the fuse box. As you can see, we run the fibers through the pillar into the trunk to remain hidden.
Just finished up. Show you how it looks. This is how it looks from the outside.
Here's the finished product. Make sure to like, comment, and follow for more videos like this.